So I'm back in the apartment, guys. It's raining again. I'm naked again. So I can't show myself that much, but yeah, it's raining outside, heavier than before, so that party seems to be well rained out. It's too heavy at the moment, it's gonna be soggy. And that's the red and white party. And here's my problem with my room at the moment. Womp womp womp! My AC is leaking, bro. And the water is running all the way to the floor. It's terrible. It's really terrible at the moment. Look at that. But for me, I can't really like I can feel water on the floor at the moment, but I won't complain because it's a recently renovated place. You can see that's recently renovated, and hold on, guys. I'm getting a call from home base, guys. Yes, home base is now on the yeah. But it's leaking really bad though, guys, as you can see, like, and there's water on the floor now. It's horrible. This is really bad. Like, it's so bad at the moment. I'm trying to show you. This is the water all the way on the floor. But oh, home base, I must say, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What I must say? In a British way. Like, oh my gosh, there's water everywhere. Yeah, but like, yeah, it's leaking. But it's kind of inconvenient, but I'm not gonna complain because, as I said, that AC looks completely new. So whoever installed it probably installed it really crappy. Because the AC like that, they actually have to cut a hole in the wall, and like the vents, not the vents, but the piping, it's like a copper piping. It goes through the back and then it takes out the water, so the condensed water will flow out somewhere else. But apparently whatever pipe is there is now completely busted and all the water is in here, so it's really bad. But she said that she was gonna get the person to come deal with it. So anyway, it's thundering outside. The light keeps flicking on and off, but I'm assuming that there's a generator here, so it's coming back on. And that's my pre right now, and I'm hungry, so I'm going to have me a Malta. Have me a Malta right quick, and a slice of bread. And I was supposed to go to link Matthew to, you know, use his Wi-Fi real quick, because there's no Wi-Fi here. So I can sort out some business, because I have some stuff for work and some orders that I have to finalize. So, but anyway, guys, I'm talking too much. I'll catch y'all later.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Alright guys, so pretty much like I just took a shower real quick and still nothing on the TV. The TV is just not working. It seems like a flow problem or something, like I don't know. So I'm just gonna go down to Burger King, get something to eat. You know, I don't want to get a Whopper Junior, but right now that not gonna hold me. I'll probably get a Whopper, you know, and then head back home. Right now home base is on the phone. Home base, blackout dog.
Stop.
Home base is on the phone. You see me? Anyway guys, look at it. This is what it looks like outside right now. It's gloomy. All that, no sun. It's now 5 o'clock anyway. The day looks really sad. Yeah, the day just looks really sad. It feels kind of depressing. It's like comparing, like, you know, when the sun was out, it was all beautiful and stuff, and now the day is coming to an end. It reminds me of when I was in prep school and we had a song. Well, back then this song, when this song came on, I was happy because it means we were going home and there's no more school and no more teacher whooping our asses. But like, the song went something like, now the day is over, night is drawing nigh, shadows of the evening still across the sky. Amen. But actually, that's a happy song because I think we only sang that on like weekends. We sung it on a Friday evening because that means that the weekend was coming, and you know, on the weekend we were gonna get turned up. Because when I was like 9, 10, yeah, on the weekends we'd be popping like Hennessy and all that stuff, bruh. Damn, do you guys see that? Like the rain was really bad here. Like you see things all blow down and stuff. I'll show you when I'm getting back still. But you see a couple of things falling down. Look at this palm tree right here. Just slow down so you guys can see it. The rain was really bad. Yo, people serious as hell though, cause people still going to this party. I tell you, like a lot of stuff got knocked down, but look at that. People still going to this party, man. Having a good time and shit. Wow. I guess that's a venue though. Depends. I might go over there, not sure. But right now, priority is I'm hungry. Alright guys, so I just stopped off at Burger King right now, but just cut off. Good, I gotta walk into, man. All this freaking rain and mud and all that shit, man. It's crazy. But what I realized is like over here it's kind of like a fishing village and thing. So if I can show you guys real quick. Here are my keys. See right there, really quick. Got a fishing boat. Kinda dope, but anyway. Burger King over there. Somebody's locked inside the bathroom. And she's panicking now. Crazy. Now that's some shit. Pun intended. Alright, so I came back to the river here. Well, whatever this is. I guess it's a river because, well, where the sea meets the river. Whatever, but I just pretty much done got eating. I think this is zoomed in, right? Okay, that's great. Got eating my whopper. Like, normally I eat a whopper junior, but like, it was so good. The whopper was really good, so I had that here. And I picked up what you call an apple pie real quick, and I'm gonna head home. So, you guys might realize I'm dark as hell right now because there's no light in my room. Apparently because of this whole light and stuff, the light is gone. The whole, you know, heavy rains, the light is gone. I don't think I'm the only person with this problem right now. And to top it off, I got my apple pie, but guess what? It's not the cold apple pie, it's the hot one. So it's so great, but you know what? They say take lemons and make lemonade. It's a beautiful evening for me. You don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna take my little lame self right quick and just go out here and just, you know, have my apple pie. That's what I'm gonna do and just call it a day, you know what I mean?
All I